First, let's just tell you about that big news that has sent Bollywood in a tizzy. Actor Kamal Rashid Khan has claimed that he received 25 lakh rupees from Karan Johar to promote his upcoming film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil that stars Ranbir Kapoor and Anushka Sharma along with Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. An audio tape has surfaced in which Kamal, in a conversation with Ajay Devgan's business associate, says that Karan Johar was the one who allegedly paid him to tweet negatively about Ajay Devgan's upcoming film Shivai.
That's Kamal Rashid Khan, better known as KRK's alleged tape conversation with producer Kumar Mangat Pathak, Ajay Devgan's business associate. KRK's claims of receiving 25 lakh rupees from Karan Johar to boost his film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil on social media has opened a Pandora's box in the film industry.
कल परसों डाला था ना कि अपना करण जोहर का अपने कुछ लिखा, पहले लिखा उसके नीचे गाला शिवाय का कि हिम्मत वाला 2 है, ऐसा कुछ।
अच्छा, हिम्मत वाला 2
क्या करते हो आप? अरे इतना करण जोहर को क्यों फेवर कर रहे हो आप?
तो देखो, उसका तो मैं फेवर करूंगा ही। मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बता दिया है कि उसका फेवर तो मुझे करना ही पड़ेगा भाई जी। जो आदमी 25 लाख भेजे उसको तो फेवर करना पड़ेगा ना। नहीं करूंगा, कैसे नहीं करूंगा?
सर 25 लाख दिए ठीक है, तो हमसे भी ले लेना ना, हम भी कुछ ना कुछ सपोर्ट कर देंगे।
Ajay Devgan has issued a public statement demanding a police inquiry targeting Karan Johar directly. Here's an excerpt from Devgan's statement. It is very sad that people from our own industry are supporting such elements and spoiling the ethos of the film industry. I would strongly demand that this be thoroughly investigated by competent authorities if Karan Johar was indeed involved in this. Clearly, Devgan is convinced that Johar paid KRK not only to promote his own film Ae Dil Hai Mushkil but also to trash Devgan's Shivai. Given the fact that KRK has zero credibility in Bollywood, why would Ajay Devgan pay any attention to a low-profile, self-proclaimed critic?
India Today's Lasya Priya joins us for the very latest on this bit of news. Lasya, this is indeed a very grave allegation from Ajay Devgan's camp on Karan Johar, and there's also an audio recording. Now tell us, what can we expect?
That's right, Avantika. But Avantika, you know what's most distressing is that Ajay Devgan is taking Kamal R. Khan's word for it.
Yes,
now, Kamal R. Khan is a self-proclaimed critic, and that's what, seems to be, the most absolutely incredible aspect of this entire story. Of course, Kamal R. Khan has 1.25 million followers on Twitter, but also keep in mind that he is the same gentleman who actually took to Twitter and made some of the most misogynistic comments about Bollywood's leading ladies, and Bollywood's leading ladies have also taken him on Twitter. In fact, recently he also said some very, very nasty things about Vikram Bhatt's personal life, and the director had filed a defamation case against him. In fact, even in the past, Rizwan Siddiqui, Kangana Ranaut's lawyer, has filed a defamation case against him, stating that, his comments are very, very derogatory. Now, it comes from Kamal R. Khan that, he's been paid 25 lakhs to say some things which are positive about Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. And now Ajay Devgan, who's of course been in the industry for almost 25 years now, why is it that, he's taking his word for it? Now,
right.
Of course, Devgan says that this needs to be investigated. But of course, let's wait and watch what happens as far as, this controversy is concerned.
Okay, just stay with me. We also had a conversation with Ajay Devgan's business associate and that conversation that he had with Kamal Rashid Khan. Let's just play that entire excerpt of that phone conversation for you before I come to you, Lasya.
कल परसों डाला था ना कि अपना करण जोहर का अपने कुछ लिखा, पहले लिखा उसके नीचे गाला शिवाय का कि हिम्मत वाला 2 है, ऐसा कुछ।
अच्छा, हिम्मत वाला 2
क्या करते हो आप? अरे इतना करण जोहर को क्यों फेवर कर रहे हो आप?
तो देखो, उसका तो मैं फेवर करूंगा ही। मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बता दिया है कि उसका फेवर तो मुझे करना ही पड़ेगा भाई जी। जो आदमी 25 लाख भेजे उसको तो फेवर करना पड़ेगा ना। नहीं करूंगा, कैसे नहीं करूंगा?
सर 25 लाख दिए ठीक है, तो हमसे भी ले लेना ना, हम भी कुछ ना कुछ सपोर्ट कर देंगे।
Lasya Priya is with us for more on this. Lasya, you know, Kamal Rashid Khan is no stranger to controversy. We have seen some of those tweets, and you were just mentioning about that entire feud that he had with Vikram Bhatt. So how seriously really should Ajay Devgan be taking his word? Because his business associate seems to have, taken this conversation very seriously. And the claim that he's made that Karan Johar paid him 25 lakh rupees to speak positively about his upcoming film.
Avantika, if we listen to the conversation very closely, we'll see that, of course, Kamal R. Khan says that he's been paid 25 lakhs. But on the other hand, when Kumar Mangat is also speaking to Kamal R. Khan, he says, we'll also give you money if, that is what it comes down to. So first of all, if this case needs to be investigated, then I think the police need to first verify the veracity of this audio clip that has been doing the rounds. Secondly, both Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Shivai are releasing on 28th October, which is the big Diwali release. Now let's, go back into the past and also, look at the fact that Ajay Devgan has clashed with, of course, Jab Tak Hai Jaan in the past. Again, this was a big clash, and Ajay Devgan did file a complaint with the Competition Review Commission of India, and lost the case, and the case of course was won by Yash Raj Films. Now of course Ajay Devgan in the past had to face a scenario where two films were clashing on the same day. But what's interesting to note is that both Jab Tak Hai Jaan and Shivai did very well at the box office. Both films were 100 crore films. So given the kind of credibility that Ajay Devgan enjoys in the industry, this seems like an unnecessary sort of controversy which he needs to sort of take on. Maybe both films can release on the same day, and one can see which film the audience prefers. But as far as Kamal R. Khan is concerned, it's a bit it's a little, as I said, incredible that Ajay Devgan is even giving him the light of day, quite literally.
Yes, absolutely. But this is an explosive clip, and we are not really seeing the end of this row, at least till the film's release. But you have seen this fight before, haven't you, Lasya? You've covered Bollywood for so many years, big production houses, and especially when their films are releasing on the same date. So one can expect all these kind of controversies to crop up.
Absolutely, Avantika. When two big films release, let's take the example of, say, Savarya versus Om Shanti Om. That was a big Diwali release. It was Ranbir Kapoor's debut film. On the other hand, it was Farah Khan's, big budget film with Shah Rukh Khan. The entire fight reached a stage where, during the film's promotions, Shah Rukh Khan was taking on Sanjay Leela Bhansali head on, publicly. That's one instance. The second instance, as I mentioned earlier, was when Son of Sardar clashed with Jab Tak Hai Jaan. Now, what Yash Raj Films did at that time is quite interesting. When, of course, Ek Tha Tiger released in the same year, Yash Raj Films issued a statement to many theatre owners that if they want to release Ek Tha Tiger, they also have to release Jab Tak Hai Jaan, which will, of course, release a few months later. In the process, Yash Raj Films sort of ensured that maximum number of theatres were booked for Jab Tak Hai Jaan. And this was the reason Ajay Devgan had, actually filed a complaint. And of course, the case was dismissed, and Ajay Devgan did not really win any brownie points as far as that was concerned. But as far as big releases and this huge clash is concerned, this is something very, very regular. But the question remains whether Ajay Devgan really needs to, take on Karan Johar in this manner.
Absolutely, Lasya Priya. Thank you so much for joining us. We, of course, will keep coming back to you for further updates and reactions from either Karan Johar or Ajay Devgan.